1/4 pound each meal. How many meals will his dog food last? In order to answer this question, we have to figure out, one, how much dog food does Tyrion have to begin with, and what are the equal size portions? So let's look. Right here, I can see that Tyrion actually has 3 pounds of dog food. So down here, I'm gonna write down my 3 pounds. Now those 3 pounds are going to be divided up into 1/4 pound portions. So what do? I'm taking 3 pounds and I'm splitting it up into fourths. So I know that if I'm breaking it up into fourths, there are 4 pieces in each of these pounds. So I'm going to multiply the 4 pieces I'm breaking it up into by the number of pounds I started with. And what is 3 times 4? That's right, 12. Tyrion's food would last for 12 meals. Don't believe me? Let's look at a picture. So if we go back to the problem, it said that Tyrion has 3 pounds of dog food. Here's my first pound. Here is pound 2. And here is pound 3. Again, 1, 2, 3. There's our 3. And then my problem said that we're going to make sure that he receives 1/4 each meal. So I need to go ahead and I need to partition each of these pounds into fourths. 1, 2, 3, 4. So according to the problem, each of these fourths represents a time Tyrion can eat. How many fourths did we create? Well, we have 4 fourths there, plus 4 fourths right here, and another 4 portions, giving us a total of 12 meals. Let's try another one. Trinity has 4 Pop-Tarts. She has decided to eat half of a Pop-Tart each day. How many days will her Pop-Tart last? Again, in order to answer this question, let's break it down. How many days will her Pop-Tarts last? Well, how many Pop-Tarts does she have? She has 4. She has 4 Pop-Tarts. And let's go ahead and set up our picture because I know you're not going to believe me. So we have Pop-Tart 1, Pop-Tart 2, Pop-Tart 3, Pop-Tart 4. So we have 4 Pop-Tarts, and she's going to eat half of a Pop-Tart each day. How much is she eating? She is only going to eat 1/2 each day. So she's taking each of those Pop-Tarts and she's breaking them down into halves, which creates how many pieces in each Pop-Tart? How many? Yes, each Pop-Tart will give her 2 pieces. So we're going to have 2 pieces for each of the 4 Pop-Tarts, giving us how many total pieces? Yes, 4 Pop-Tarts times the 2 pieces that I'm creating are going to give us 8 pieces. Let's look. So I have my 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, my 4, and I'm going to partition them into halves. And Trinity's eating how much? She's eating half of a Pop-Tart each day. So how many days is that? Well, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days.